Hello. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The sun is shining.
Perfect day to learn English, right?
Yes, I'm ready to learn.
Wonderful. Let's start with greetings.
Okay.
When you meet someone, you say hello
Hello.
or hi.
Hi.
If it's morning, you can say good morning.
Good morning.
In the afternoon, say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And in the evening, good evening.
Good evening.
Great. You sound very natural.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Now, let's talk about introductions.
Okay.
When you meet someone for the first time, what do you say?
I say, my name is Jack.
Perfect. You can also say, I'm Jack.
I'm Jack.
Good. And then ask, what's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Anna.
Excellent. When you say, nice to meet you, you smile.
Smile. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That makes people feel happy and welcome.
I'll remember that. Smile when I greet someone.
Exactly. Now, where are you from, Jack?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, Vietnam. That's a beautiful country.
Thank you. Where are you from, Anna?
I'm from the United States.
Wow. The USA.
Yes, I'm American.
And I'm Vietnamese.
That's wonderful. 2 countries, 1 friendship.
Yes, English connects us.
Jack, do you live in Hanoi?
Yes, I do. I live in Hanoi with my family.
Oh, nice. Do you like living in Hanoi?
Yes, I do. Hanoi is busy, but I like it.
What do you like about Hanoi?
I like the food.
Ah, the food. What food do you like?
I like pho. Do you like pho?
Yes, I love pho. It's delicious.
Pho is my favorite food too.
Let's practice a short dialogue together.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Jack. What's your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, Vietnam. That's great.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Nice.
Good job. Now, let's talk about feelings.
Feelings?
Yes, when someone asks, how are you? What can you say?
I can say, I'm fine.
Good, or I'm good,
I'm good.
or I'm okay,
I'm okay.
or I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Perfect. Let's practice. How are you today?
I'm good.
How are you today?
I'm tired.
Oh no, maybe you need coffee.
Yes, I need coffee.
I like coffee too.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I do, every morning.
Me too.
Great. Now let's review polite words.
Okay.
When someone says, thank you, what do you say?
You're welcome.
Good. When someone gives you something, say, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you again.
You're very polite, Jack.
Thank you, teacher.
Let's learn goodbye expressions.
Sure.
You can say goodbye,
Goodbye.
or see you,
See you.
or see you later,
See you later.
or have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Excellent! Let's make a full conversation. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's your name?
I'm Jack.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, nice. I'm from the United States.
That's cool.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do. I live in Hanoi.
Great city. I love the coffee here.
Me too. Vietnamese coffee is strong and sweet.
Yes, it is.
See you later, Anna.
See you later, Jack. Have a nice day.
You too.
Wonderful. You're doing great, Jack.
Thank you, Anna. I enjoy practicing English.
That's good. The more you speak, the better you get.
I'll practice every day.
Perfect. English every day, just a few minutes.
Anna, can we practice slower one more time?
Of course. Let's go slowly. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Jack.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, Vietnam. That's great.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See? Easy and clear.
Yes, very easy.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
Practice every day.
That's the spirit.
Anna, how do I greet people in the evening?
You can say, good evening.
And at night?
Say, good night when you go to bed.
Oh, okay. Good evening before bed. Good night at bedtime.
Exactly.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Now, let's review everything.
Okay.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say your name.
I'm Jack.
Ask my name.
What's your name?
My name is Anna. Say where you're from.
I'm from the United States.
I'm from Vietnam. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Perfect. Now, let's do a little role play.
Sounds fun.
Imagine we meet in a cafe.
Okay.
Hello. Can I sit here?
Sure. Please sit.
Thank you. I'm Anna. What's your name?
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you come here often?
Yes. I come here every morning.
Oh, me too. I love the coffee here.
Yes, it's very good.
Where are you from, Jack?
I'm from Vietnam. And you?
I'm from the United States.
Oh, that's far away.
Yes, but now I live here.
That's nice. Welcome to Vietnam.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
You're welcome.
Well done. You sound more confident now.
Thank you, Anna.
Keep practicing these simple dialogues every day.
I will. I'll listen and repeat.
That's the best way to learn. Okay, Jack, let's finish with a short review.
Sure.
Greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Got it.
Introductions. My name is. I'm. What's your name?
Easy.
Feelings. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm tired. I'm okay.
Perfect.
Goodbye phrases. Goodbye. See you later. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Anna.
Have a nice day, Jack. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, teacher.